we have done the configurations with the electronic bank statements, and we need to test the document to test the documents and all. Okay, so creation of the transaction type is over, and creation of the vendor master records and customer master records, and the posting invoice to the vendor using transaction code FB60 and FB70. And okay, what we need to do is first we need to check with the one thing. The thing is that in transaction code SE38, whether do we have any electronic bank statement that is running in the background job? Okay, go to the transaction code SE38 one. In this SE38 transaction code, okay, what we need to do, we just give the program as RFEBKA96. RFEBKA96. KA96, yes. Go to the execute option, ma'am. Why? Because whatever the electronic bank statements that have been executed, RFEB, B for ball. Whatever the electronic bank statements that are existed, okay, for the particular programs and all, automatically we will delete that program. Okay, so what is the application ID? Electronic manual bank statements. Application ID is the main thing. Okay, go to the execute option, ma'am. Okay, if the statements are there, okay, 96 and 97, if the statements are there, what will happen? Okay, we need to delete the statements. Go to the delete option, ma'am. We need to delete the statements before you execute each and every electronic bank statements and all. Why? Because it will going to throw you an error. Okay, so ma'am, have you run these statements?
No, sir. Not at all.
You haven't run these statements. Okay, good. Give slash n, no issue. Give slash n. Give slash n. Good. Then next one. So what we need to do? So we need to create the one customer master record, and the next one is one vendor master records. I'm go to the BP transaction code now. So just try to create the one vendor and also one customer. No need to give anything. Directly you can just go to the save button and save it. No issue. And you can just create the new customer, ma'am, with this all these things.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right, ma'am. What we need to do is give slash in, and we should raise the one vendor invoice. Okay, if we using transaction code FP60 and remove this 12-inch group. And we will try to I mean create one vendor invoice using transaction code FB60. Okay. Okay, go to the subreddit and save it. Okay, this document has been posted. Okay, everything is fine, right? Then next, what we need to do? So we will just try to, I mean, post the one vendor, sorry, customer invoice also. Go to the transaction code FP71. That customer, try to create the one invoice also, FP7. Change your company code, ma'am. Give /n. Company code is TUR1 and tax code 2D doesn't exist in company code. All right. Do one thing, give /n. Double click on this thing. Go to the control data. Change this thing and remove the tax category. I think so. Someone has deleted your tax categories and no issue. Just save the details. Okay, and give the cost element category primary costs or revenues. Go to the save button and save it. Yes, and give /n and come back to this FB70 transaction report. And I enter one customer invoice. Can you open this thing, ma'am? You haven't defined and CVO account assignments for an account that is relevant to cost accounting. Account 200 is defined as a cost element. Remove this thing, ma'am. Drag it to the right side. And click on the enter once again. Enter. And first of all, why it is asking for the CVO objects and cost object? Take out the cost object. Go to the go to the continue option, ma'am. I think so. We don't have any cost objects, right? I mean, cost centers, cost center accounting, profit center accounting. We haven't created. Okay, because of that project, that is why we are getting all these things. What we need to do is remove this thing, ma'am. Remove this thing. Go to the cost object once again. Go to the cost object once again. Take out the any controlling area. I think so. It will not going to fetch. 0001. Take out the 0001. Continue. No values are found. Okay, remove this thing. 200 200. Cost objects. Give /n. Go to the transaction code OBC for ma'am. OBC4. Give the field status variant. Do it fast. Select this thing and go to the field status group and take out that Z001. Double click on this Z001 and go to the additional account assignments. And I think so cost objectives. Put all these things in suppress option now. Cost objective is also in suppress option, right? Sales order also suppress option. Profit center is also suppress option. I think so. Okay, go to the save button. Cost objective is in suppress option. Why it is asking for the parent or partner parameters, joint venture, competitor function, and sequence. Okay, no issue. Go to the save button and save it now. If it is not taking anything, what we need to do is give slash n ma'am and go to the FB70 transaction code. It is asking for the cost object. It is not the particular right. Post one thing. Give slash n ma'am. And what we need to do is create one new account, sales account. Give slash n, go to the transaction code FS00. Sales account 1, you can just create it. 200201. Yes. Short key 001 and create our bank interest. Go to the save button and save it now. Why it is asking for this EVA object. Give the cost element category, no? Take out the primary costs or cost reducing revenues, ma'am. Go to the save button and save it. And now post with 200201, ma'am. I think all these things are in a suppressed mode, right? Why it is asking for the requires an assignment to a superscript object. Ma'am, put that CO object is in a optional entry, ma'am. Give me 1 second. You have not defined a CO account assignment for an account that is relevant to a cost accounting. 200201 is defined as this means that we must have a specific account assignments. Remove this thing, ma'am. Give slashing. Give slashing. Ma'am, go to the OKKP transaction code. OKKP transaction code. Continue. And delete the controlling area, ma'am. Go to the position and give your controlling area. Select that thing and delete it. Deletion not possible. So assignments of company code. Assignment of company. Go to the assignment of company code, ma'am. Double click on this thing. Yes, delete it. Select this thing and delete it. Continue. And go to the save button and save it. Continue. Continue. I think so. For asset accounting, we have created the implementations things, right, ma'am? So that is the thing only. It is throwing an error. Continue. No issue. Good. And activate components controls also. Activate components controls. I will click on that thing. Delete it. Delete it, ma'am. Delete all these things. Okay. Go to the cancel option, ma'am. Go to the cancel option. Select this thing. No. Just go to the delete option. Go to the delete option. Yes. Go to the cancel option. Select this thing and delete it. The last entry may not be possible. Okay. Cancel this thing. Yes. Come back. Select this thing and go to the activate components. Yes, cost center not active. Just put the not active. And order management not active. Order management is also not active. Okay. And commitment management not active. Yes, go to the save button and save it. Continue. Continue. Okay, good. Give / ma'am. Go to the transaction code FB70 and take out the customer. Give the text. And it is not asking for anything, right? And go to the simulate option, ma'am. Go to the save button and save it. So, ma'am, first we need to have the dummy balances for the one thing. What is the dummy balances for the one thing? And that is, go to the transaction code FBL3N. Go to the transaction code FBL3N. Go to the transaction code FBL3N. So here, take out the main bank balance accounts. Take out the main bank balance accounts. Main bank balance account. Yes. And go to the execute option, ma'am. And if we have no entries, and we can able to post the entries. Okay. So that is dummy account balance. Go to the transaction code FB01, ma'am. Post one dummy entry, ma'am, with the help of document date 15.08.2023. Give the type. The document type is SA. Period is 8 and posting key is 40 and main account is main bank account. How much we want to give? 50,000.
11 lakhs, sir.
Need to have
Opening balance.
You want to give the 11 lakh, no issue. Just give the 6 lakh.
Okay, sir.
Okay, what is the dummy account for this thing? 50 is the credit balance, right? So for the 50, is the posting key. And next line item for this account is anything. If you have any new house banks accounts and all like HDFC, ICICI Bank and all, again just give it. Here posting key, just give the posting key as 50. Posting key as 50, and the account is, what is that account? Take out the GL account. Bank. IDBI Bank. What is that bank account, ma'am? Okay, give the amount star and text as plus. Click on the enter and go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it now. So this GL document has been posted with the help of 54. Now what we need to do is go to the transaction code FBL 3N, ma'am. We will try to write down here only. Yes, and invoice document FBL 3N. FBL 3N. Yes. And yes, go to the continue option, ma'am. So the balance is existed with the 6 lakhs rupee. Okay, take out the new screen, ma'am. Take out the new screen and go to the transaction code FBL 5N. Go to the transaction code FBL 5N. Yes. And take out the customer account, ma'am. New customer accounts and all. Take out the customer account. Take out the customer accounts. It's 2,50,000 rupees. And what is the document number, ma'am? That is 462. Okay. And go to that notepad, ma'am, and try to give the document number as 462. Try to give the document number 462. Try to give the document number 462. But when it comes to the vendor invoice postings, okay, there will be a master records that are existed for the vendor, right? So we need to take the vendor clearing document number. Okay, using transaction code F-53, we need to take out the vendor document clearing numbers. Can you just go to the F-53 transaction code, ma'am? Okay, yes, and take out the document date and posting date and document header text also and document clearing text also. And the next one is when it comes to the bank data, okay, what we should take it. Okay, we should take out the outgoing bank account. Okay, outgoing bank ABS accounts like this. Take out that thing and give that amount. And what is the amount that we have posted, ma'am? 2 lakh rupee. Good. And value date and take out the text also. Value date, take out the text also. And give the account and give the account and vendor account. Yes. And click on the enter. And now just go to the save button and save it. And this should be reflected to the GL account balances. Why? Because it is an outgoing bank EBS account, right? Okay, so this is the 328 bank account number. Go to the transaction code FBL 3N. So we can able to see the main bank balance accounts as well as the outgoing bank balance accounts. FBL 3N and go to the this arrow mark option, ma'am. Yes, and take out the 2 bank accounts. One is One is main bank account. Another one is outgoing bank account. Okay, incoming bank account means here all of you, when we are getting the payments from the particular customers, automatically, okay, incoming bank account balance will be updated. Okay, so go to the execute option, ma'am. See here all of you. So 2 lakh rupee is the main important balance that we need to clear, okay, for our SFS system, okay, based on the vendors clearing amounts from the what? Outgoing bank account, right? So automatically we can able to see all these details with the help of our own bank balance. Okay, so these things are mandatory, and this document number is 328 is the document number, and please try to understand the point. Okay, ma'am. So do we have any existing MT940 format files? Take out that existing MT940 format file. Take out that MT940 format files and all. Yes. So hyphen, sorry, colon 20 colon is for the 2023-08. So 15 is the document date. Okay. Change it to the 15, ma'am. 15. 2023 2023-08 2023-08 15. Okay, then next one is, can you change the colon 25 colon, that is bank account number, ma'am? What is the bank account number? What is the bank account number? Go to that I mean notepad file, or else go to that Word document. You can able to find out the take out 8377930837. 8377930837. Confirm that thing once again. Good. So 28, or else you do one thing, ma'am. Colon 20 colon is for the date, system date. Just write down. Statement date you can write down. Statement date you can write down. Just put a hyphen. Just give statement date. Okay, good. Then next step. 25. This is bank account number. Colon 25. Bank account number. In real time, they will going to ask you these things only, all of you. They will just focus on the customer payments and vendor payments. Okay. So bank account number. So hyphen, sorry, colon 28C colon. So you can just change the statement number, ma'am. That is 13. You can just give 13, anything, 14, anything. So this is referred to the statement number. Okay. Then next step, colon 60F colon is referred to the opening balance. Okay. So opening balance is 2308 15 230815 over INR 6 lakh rupee. INR 6 lakh rupee. Okay, how much amount that we have? 6 lakh rupee only, right? Rupee. This is referred to the opening balance. Okay, then next up, colon 61 colon is incoming payments. Okay, so how much incoming payment that we have raised? So 2,50,000 rupees, right? So for that thing, we need to give 230815. Then next 0815. So this is credit balance, right? C, that is 2,50,000 rupees. 2,50,000 rupees. 50,000 rupees. And for this 2,50,000 rupees, we should change the what is the thing, ma'am? That external symbols DURF, or else you do one thing, ma'am. Go to the SAP system, go to the transaction code OT83, take out the new screen. No, take out the new screen. Go to the OT83 transaction code. Go to the OT83 transaction code. Give me 1 second, ma'am. Yes, whatever the external transaction types that we need to give. Okay, so DURF is one thing, and DURF and DUR2 is for the bank charges. Okay, so go to the DURF, ma'am. Sorry, go to that file and just give DURF, and DURF is for the no reference number. Okay, no reference. Good. Then next one. So this one is for the document number. What is the document number? I mean, customer document number. Take out the customer document number, ma'am. The customer document number is 462, and just give the 462 document number. Okay, very good. Then next one. So :61 is referred to the particular vendor debit balances. Okay, just change the dates 23/08/15 to 08/15. Okay, debit balance, that is 2 lakh rupee, and change the DURF. Change this external transaction type, that is DURF. Okay, then next one, next thing, and :86. Okay, and for this thing we do have the vendor document number. And what is the document number? 328 is the outgoing payment document number. Okay, outgoing bank account document number 328. Okay, so then next one. Then next one, 23/08/15, 08/15, debit balances, bank charges. Okay, and can you give the DUR2, ma'am? DUR2 is for the bank charges. DUR2 is for the bank charges. DUR2 is for the bank. No need to give any space, ma'am. So after colon, don't give any space. Bank charges. And don't give any space, bank charges. Okay, and 62F is for the closing balances. And what is the closing balances, all of you? Opening balance is 6 lakh rupee, and incoming payment is 2,50,000 rupees. That is 8,50,000 is over, and debit balance is 2 lakh. Okay, then 6,50,000 rupees is the main thing. And after that, bank charges minus 5,000 rupees. Minus 5,000 rupees is related to the particular opening balances, right? So 6,50,000 minus 50,000 is equal to 6 lakh. Our closing balances, there is no profit, there is no gain. Okay, this is the way you can able to. Yes, ma'am. Opening balance is over. Then 61:61, just put the hyphen. 61:61 after the opening balance. Incoming payments. Incoming payments, you can just write down incoming payments. Incoming payments. Then next one. So this is document number, you know it very well. And then next 61:61, sorry, 6:61 is outgoing payments, and that document number is over. Then next one is bank charges. Bank charges. And the next one is closing balances. bank charges, and the next one is closing balances. So this is the way you can able to define and do it for each and everything for particular EBS accounting balancing things and on. And the format will be like this empty 940 format. Okay, an empty 940 format, and just put the